Welcome to our guide on signing up for 1xBet and redeeming the bonus using the promotional code MISTERBETS. Excellent! Stay with us until the end of this tutorial and I'll demonstrate the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, navigate to the 1xBet website. Once you've arrived, click on Registration. On the left side of the page, you'll find the option to select your bonus, whether it's for the casino or sports. Now on to the next stage. After choosing your bonus, opt for one click. Here, you'll provide your country and currency details. Remember the crucial step. Enter MISTERBETS into the promotional code field to activate your bonus with the first deposit. Once completed, click Register and complete the captcha. Your registration details will be securely saved. For extra security, consider providing your email as well. Moving forward, select Make a Deposit. Then, choose your preferred payment method. With over 70 options available, you're bound to find one that suits you best. Upon completing your initial deposit, your bonus, whether for sports or the casino, will be ready for use. It's that straightforward. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time.